Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we're going to talk about part 2 of self-monitoring. So as you can see, I got a beard trim, I cut my hair, I feel much more comfortable in my own skin because I got my grooming done. And this took about an hour and 7 minutes just to do my haircut and my beard trim. Otherwise, he said it would take about 15 to 30 minutes max, depending on how intricate I want it. So the thing what I'm trying to say is that if you don't take care of your grooming, your hair is going to grow
and keep growing and growing and growing, your facial hair, your body hair, whatever, right? So if you don't groom yourself, it's going to keep on growing.
The same way,
if you don't keep your weight loss in check. And how do you do that? By monitoring your nutrition. Self-monitoring is taking care of your nutrition, tracking your meals, tracking your calories. If not calories, if that's too much for you, track your protein and fiber. Those are the two most important things that you need to track. I haven't made a video on fiber yet, but if you want to know what protein is, click this card and find out. So I use MyFitnessPal to track my meals, to track my calories, to track my macros, to track all of these things. And if you want to know what macronutrients are, click this card and find out. So I do all of this by just using my phone, nothing else, just a phone. That's all you need. Because when I started training and trying to do this whole nutrition thing about 12 years ago, when I started, I used to look at guys in the gym literally writing it on a physical paperback book, and that was something that I was not willing to do. However, I have a phone and it's a smartphone. It's called a smartphone for a reason, and these things are like
your best friend.
You can just use it to do a lot of stuff. So why it's of paramount importance to keep your weight in check? Why is it of paramount importance for you? Because if you don't do this now, if you don't build this habit up right now, what's going to happen is when I assume, because from my demographics, from what I see on my analytics page, I see that most of you are between 25 to 34 years of age. And
if you neglect this
right now, you're going to be screwed when you're around 50, and you have to learn all of this when you have lots of other life commitments. So why would you want to break your head with this when you could do it now and not break your head 20 years down the line? Why?
So think about it. You de-stress.
I am not stressed at all. In one of my Document with Diamond episodes, I said that it takes 9 minutes to track your food. To weigh and track your food, it takes 9 minutes in a day. That's all it requires, nothing else. Oh yeah, and if I did not self-monitor my nutrition and my weight loss progress the way
I neglected my grooming,
I would have gone back, or I would have not been able to lose the weight I lost. Like for example, in 97 days, I lost 16.7 kilograms, and that's because of self-monitoring.
The only thing, and it's very easy.
It's all about just putting your mind to it and just doing it. That's it. If I did not self-monitor, I would have unknowingly gone into a
calorie surplus,
and I would have gone back to where I started, which was 16.7 plus kilos more than I am right now. And that's not a good thing. For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text on WhatsApp. You can also send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we'll take it ahead from there. And I'll also put these details down in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss,
tips
and tricks
on how to attain sustainable weight loss and how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one.